Welcome back to ColdStart Garage, Johnson Derelicts. Today, we're gonna reseal the lower end on this. It's leaking a little bit of goo. All right guys, I gotta take this prop off. This cotter pin looks brand new. Just like that. What size socket is that? 1 1/8? Oh no, closed gas though. All right, I got some air tools. I know it surprises you. Huh. Oh boy, came right off. So we're looking to get all that off. What's this? I don't know if that's all one or not. I guess we're gonna find out, aren't we? All right guys, don't be scared. Slam-o! Get you out of the sun so maybe you can last a little longer. All right, as I was doing some research, I didn't expect to have this. And it just sets in there. Don't be scared. It has a little chamfer. It's a prop spacer. Don't worry about that. Taking out a couple of these. Guys, I have never done this project before. This is all new to me. I'm just letting you guys know, don't be scared of something. There's plenty of information online. I'm doing the lower seal first, just because I don't have a vise. Man, filthy. Your guys' guess is as good as mine. I bought a couple tools, which those are wrong tools. Damn it. That's cool. Great. Well, there goes that. So you don't have, you adapt and overcome. I needed a 1/4 so I went and bought a threaded rod for this tool. I'm gonna cut it down and make it work. You'll see in the next video. This is my Cobb Job Deluxe. Fabricable engineering at its best. This is what came with it. It's just a step size bigger. 7/8. It's already moving, guys. Ow! Hey, grind those off. Is my head in the way? Oh yeah, I should have drained the oil out of there. Yep, you know me, guys. I don't know. There's one way of draining it. Bearing looks pretty good. Looks very good. Guys, I don't think this has been used much. Introduce all this garbage in there. Probably shouldn't be doing that. BK-2212. Hopefully I have the right kit. It looks like it might be. I gotta clean this better though. Oh man, this is filthy. It doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that good either. Starting fluid? Why not? I'm gonna avoid the bearing though. Wow, this thing looks new, guys. So I'm gonna probably take out. Hold on, can you see me? Probably gonna work on taking these seals out. Hopefully this is the right ones. I think it's only one seal in there. Guys, I never used a seal remover kit before. I don't know, maybe I should leave this one alone because it seems like it was leaking. Not around the prop shaft. We'll just call that one replaced. They didn't even budge, guys. Bearings look great. Introducing all that debris and sand and stuff is awesome. So I'm just gonna replace this outer seal, but I don't have the shaft seal. Make sure it fits. I'm gonna put a little bit of this, don't poke your new seal there, guy. This would work if I had a vise. I'm gonna use a Q-tip to apply some of this form a gasket liquid sealant. Looks like it's what was on there before. And you just, alright, it's on there. Alright guys, I gotta clean the hole. I'll be back with you. Okay, I guess I do have the seal. It's right here. Some generic aftermarket one. Well, they're all generic. Man, it's hot. Man, this is hard to get out. Alright, I tried pulling this out, but this seal still looks brand new. No weather check, and it's in there. It's doing what it needs to do. It's still cupped. I suspect it was this O-ring anyways. Now I have all the tools. If that is the problem, I'll just buy a vise. I literally had this out in 15 minutes after I had the tool, so. How's this looking? Not great. Cool. Alright guys, I'll just get this cleaned up and then you guys get to see me put it back together. How's that sound? Okay, I lied to you. It's back in. So what I'm going to do is so there's a lot of good videos out there how to do this. As you know, this is for my entertainment and your entertainment as well. So you see this? I just put it in with a hammer. But you gotta You got a washer, a thrust bearing, and another washer. I put a little couple dabs of grease on it to hold them in place. And on the back, that's where everything recesses in. And now there's notches here and up here. And that's when you bolt it back in, and they let you know she spins freely. I don't know how much play that's supposed to have. It's a 30-year-old motor, so. All right, so I'm gonna, Jesus, that's a mess. I'm gonna add some 50 weight in this. I don't know if it's the right stuff, but I just don't want to leave it dry in there after I just blew it all clean. I'm gonna have to drop the oil again anyways. I just want to make sure I don't leave too much garbage in there. Little pump. You just pump it until it weeps out of the top. The reason why you pump it from the bottom is because it's so thick you could cause air pockets if you go in through the top. And you won't have enough gear oil. That's gonna puke right in my face. Just cover that hole. It's a half a bottle already. Whoa! See, that scared me. Couple extra pumps. Oh, what a mess. Get off me, you fly. All right, so I'm gonna clean my mess up. That is garbage. Both sides. You could just never be too careful when you remove these. Oh, I think I set it a little too hard. For something that's supposed to be submerged, because it says it's waterproof. These aren't gonna last. But I think I'm gonna gob that right full of sealant. Destructions. Today we're gonna fix on these trailer lights and put on some guide rails, some LEDs. I hope I get my Kershaw knives back today. I sent them out almost a month ago. I miss my knives. Ooh, I'm gonna cut myself. Adam, why don't you use the chainsaw anymore? Well, the neighbors are getting a little upset. Ha! You're supposed to catch that. Oh, right here? Sure. Is it really necessary to put guide rails on it? Well, when you don't have a boat on your trailer, trying to back her up, it's nice to be able to see. I don't know if you guys can see anything. Hell, I can't even see anything. This one's right in my face. Probably move this a little further back. Woohoo! Plenty here. Whoa, that's falling. We'll just stick that there for right now. 14 millimeter. That'll buff out. Use a 9/16. It's standard. Yep, that works a lot better. That's gonna be really close. Alright, she's on there. There's even little instructions right here telling you which way to point this. Mount with this side facing forward. A little notch there. See that? There's a notch right there. Pretty high. Do I want it that high? Maybe. What's it gonna hurt? Come on, get in there. I don't think it'll be too tall. Alright, so I'm gonna wire these electrical connections for the new post I put in, guide rails. I'm gonna use some solder sleeves, or these guys here. Can't you see? These guys here, these solder sleeves. See the ring of solder in the middle? I'm gonna heat them up with a heat gun, melt them. It's a great way to keep water and corrosion out of it. Alright, as you guys can see, I got a mess over here. I'm gonna leave the cable a little long. I'll just dress it just in case I need to take the post off for any reason. I won't have to break my wire connections. I like to get the blue part melted first. All sides. Probably the next one I'll probably wind together a little better. That should be good though. So I had to poke a hole here and stuck it there. I was gonna put it with this other ground. Like I said, I don't have any more terminal lines that were that size. I got some huge ones. That's what she said. Okay, she never said that. That was a lie. So we're gonna finish this side up and she's ready. Fun stuff. That's gonna be handy when we're loading the boat tonight. It only works with daytime running lights, so it doesn't come on with brakes or anything like that. Alright guys, I must be like the most unlucky person on the face of this planet. I get the guide rail installed on the boat this morning. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna launch it. I'm gonna take it to the barge and send her down, see what she does. But I do a thing, start it up. Actually, I'll start it up for you right now. Got water. Starts right up. But, as you can see, it's not peeing. Yeah, I turned itself off. It's cold. Yeah, so I need to do an impeller. So guys, I'm prepared. Ish. I have one. I just gotta do it. Go me. So I forgot to mention what guidepost I went before I installed these. It's a C.E. Smith guidepost with LEDs. I got them from E-Trailer. I don't know, they're $140, $200, somewhere around there. I can't remember. They were pretty good, pretty easy to install. Guys, they have much better install video right on E-Trailers about these. They're very thorough, but did they have as much fun as we did? I think not. And then we're gonna replace that impeller and we're gonna take it out on the lake or barge. I hope you enjoyed the moving picture. Thanks for visiting ColdStart Garage.